Hey guys, I'm Vivian Lamolli. I'm an actress and I'm here with the Desire Company. How to make tea. I've seen so many different ways that people maybe try to do a quick fix to making a general cup of tea, and I would say definitely avoid the microwave. I really don't use the microwave for anything, and specifically for this, it takes away the fruitfulness or all of the great ingredients and the good things about the tea that you want. So once you boil your water, it's just so much better to have. Steeping the tea is really good too. Sometimes I do that, but I think that tends to, rather than just keeping it in the bag itself, it again takes maybe a lot away from what that ingredient is. And when you're using the detox ingredients, which are meant for detoxing any of the toxins in your body, I think any of that natural, vegan, organic ingredient that you want to keep that in there. So there are so many different teas for any kind of vibe that you're feeling that day or that moment, during the morning or in the evening. Specifically when I like to get into my restfulness and my meditation, or I've had a really long day, I definitely like to have a good calming tea. And with anything else that you were looking for, something like chamomile is very calming as well. But I do recommend Arvan calming with ashwagandha and saffron, because that's something that is very, very relaxing.